So this is where my chickens live during the day. This is called a chicken run because they run around in here. There's one little chicken coop where they lay their eggs. I have 11 chickens and they're all pretty happy. I have lots of things for them to do because a bored chicken can get in trouble. And what kind of trouble would that be? They peck on each other. And that's where the term pecking order comes from. So this chicken is the top of the pecking order. And this chicken is at the bottom of the pecking order. We'll walk right through here and take a look at another nesting box. And there's no eggs in there today. This is their water and food over here. And we have separate water and food. So they don't have to necessarily share just one food and water source. So let's see if they had any eggs in this nesting box. And yes, there are 4 eggs. You'll notice there's 2 blue. Those are the Easter eggers. Lay those. There's 1 darker color, and that's the Welsomer that laid that. And the tan one is one of the English Sussex chicken's eggs. How do I know? By the color and the size. Now we'll see where the chickens sleep. This is the big coop area. And I have siding on it to insulate them from cold winter. That's going to be coming down soon. And this is where the chickens sleep. There are roosting bars that they fly up on and sleep at night. And that's the chicken tour.